Dear 8th class marks, I hope all of you have done the given HW. I continue to the yesterday's topic. Know the concept and how to solve. What is the procedure in these problems? So mainly changing the symbols and multiplication, division and transposing, how to change their symbols, and also LCM, so particularly self-summed and removing brackets. So totally these are all very important. So basic. You must have all these basic procedure compulsory. Okay children? 2x minus 3 by 3x plus 2 equal to minus 2 by 3. Solve x. This is the denominators. This type of problems compulsory do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means the very next step 3 multiplies 2x minus 3. 3x plus 2 multiplies minus 2. So 3 into 2x minus 3. 3 into 2x minus 3. It's very simple form. Equal to minus 2 into 3x plus 2. In this term, 3 is the denominator. So very next step, it is doing action multiplication. Here 3x plus 2 is the denominator. It is doing action next step 3x plus 2 in RHS. So remove bracket. 3 2s are 6x minus 9 equal to minus 6x minus 4. Already you know this. 6x minus 9. 6x minus 6x transposing LHS plus 6x equal to minus 4 plus 9. 12x equal to 5. X equal to 5 by 12. X equal to 5 by 12. Watch on your textbook page number 56. So ninth one. Minus 2 by 4. So 8p minus 5 by 7b plus 1 minus 2 by 4. We can write this 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. Minus 1 by 2 also. Minus 1 by 2. Same process. If it is moved to LHS, 2 into 8p minus 5 equal to minus 1 into it. If it moves to RHS, 7p plus 1. 2 8s are 16p minus 10 equal to minus 7p minus 1. Here we multiply. Change the symbol. Minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus. 16p. If 7p moves to LHS, plus 7p. Minus 1 plus 10. Minus 10 moves to RHS. 16p plus 7p. Add 23p equal to 9. Implies p equal to implies P equal to 9 by 20. 9 by 23. Copy down, children. Do you enjoy solving problems? Here 3t plus 1 by 16 minus 3t minus 3 by 7 slide. Take LCM. Take LCM. 16, 7. LCM is there are no common factors in between 16 and 7. Therefore, LCM is 16 sevens are 112. So 16 goes to 112 7 times. 7 into 3t plus 1 minus 7 16 times 2t minus 3 equal to. Here the LCM 8 14. There is a common factor 2. So take LCM 2 4 times 7 times. 2 into 4 into 7. 56 is the LCM. So 8 how many times? 7 times. 7 into t plus 3. 14 4 times. 4 into 3t minus 1. Now remove the brackets. 21t plus 7 minus 16 into 2 minus 32t minus into minus plus 48 by 112. 70 plus 7 3s are 21 plus 4 3s are 12t minus 4 by 56. Simplify the like terms. 21t minus 32t plus 21 minus 32. How much? Minus 11. 11t plus 7 plus 48 plus 55 by 112. 70 12t. 70 12t. 19t. 21 minus 4 plus 17 by 56. By 56. Now go to cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Or else cross multiplication, or else minus 11t plus 55 by 112. If it is moved to LHS into 56 equal to 19t plus 7. Now take cancellation. 14. 4 14s are 56. Here 7 14s. here 8. 7 8s are 56. 14 8s are 112. 14 8s are 112. Here 2 times. Here 2 times cancellation. 2 times. And very next step, minus 11t plus 55 equal to 2 into 19t plus 17. Minus 11t plus 55 equal to 38t plus 34. Now minus 11t minus 38t equal to 34 minus 55. Add these two. Minus 49t equal to 34 minus 55. 5 minus 4, 1, 21. Minus 21. 49 t equal 21. T equal to 21 by 49. Now 3 sevens, 7 sevens. T equal to 3 by 7. So copy down children. It's most important. Now x plus 7 by 3x plus 16 equal to 4 by 7. Cross multiplication. X plus 7 into 7 equal to 4 into 3x plus 16. 3x plus 16. Now 7x plus 49 equal to 12x plus 64. Again, add like terms LHS or RHS. 7x minus 12x equal to 64 minus 49. Plus 12x moves to LHS, changes minus 12x. Plus 49 moves to RHS, minus 40. 7x minus 12x, how much? Don't confuse here. Minus 12x plus 7x. Minus value 12 plus value 7. 12 minus 7, 5. Minus 5x. Here 64 minus 49. 13. 15. Here x equal to 15 minus 15 by 5. 3x equal to minus 3. X equal to minus 3. Copy down children. This is for HW, and also what I told in this class also practice on your notebook. See you later.